Hello, have you ever opened a messy spreadsheet before that is very hard to read? What if you could format your data in seconds instead of wasting time on manual typing and styling? Welcome to Solomon channel. In this video, I will show you powerful Excel formatting shortcuts, including how to insert bold, italicize, and underline. Also, auto formatting numbers, dates, and currencies. Also, quick ways to color, align, and adjust cell sizes. Stay till the end for a one-click shortcut that makes your data look stunning instantly. Before we dive into the video, do well to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our future uploads. Right here in this channel, we upload every Mondays and every Fridays. Now, without much ado, let's get into the video. Alright, to begin with this Excel formatting shortcuts, let's start with basic text formatting. Shortcut 1 is to bold your text, and to do that you Ctrl B, that to add bold to the text. That is the shortcut. Number 2 shortcut is to italicize, unless for example you want to italicize this, you press Ctrl I to make it italicized. Another stuff is in shortcut number 3 is to underline, and to do that we press Ctrl U to quickly underline our data or to underline our text. And that is the quick shortcuts as regards to text formatting, which is mostly used to place certain emphasis on our data set. And having done that, we move to the shortcut number 4, and this is mostly used to when a task is completed or when we want to strike our stuff, which is strike through. For example, we want to add a strike through to this, we want to strike off this, we can press Shift space to highlight the entire, or we press Ctrl Shift forward arrow to select the entire stuff, and then we press Ctrl 5 and we see all the is apply strike through. That means this particular data is not in consideration of our data set, and that is that is shortcut number 4. Moving over to shortcut number 5, we are going to be looking at how to format as date, currencies, percentage, and the likes under the number and date formatting. Okay, to format as currency, let's highlight dates, and then to format as currency we press Ctrl Shift and then $sign, which is the number 4 on the keyboard. That automatically will convert it to currency. Now that is shortcut number 5. Next is number 6 shortcut in this tutorial. Let's say we want to format this in percentage. Highlighting this, hold Ctrl, hold Shift, and press number 5, which is the percentage sign on the keyboard, and automatically it formats it in percentage. Heading over to the shortcut number 7, we want to put format as comma. Let's say this we want to put it in comma. Let's format as comma as regards to this data set. How do we do that? We hold Ctrl, hold Shift, and press 1, which has the exclamation mark on your keyboard, and you notice automatically it formats it as comma. Let's take for example this data set, we add 3, 4 to it and move forward. You see that automatically formats it as in comma, which makes it easy for us to read, and at the same time add some decimal places to that. So that is shortcut number 7. Moving forward is the shortcut number 8 is to format as date. As to regards to this, we can come here, and then when to format as date we can press Ctrl Shift and 3, which is the hash sign, and that gives us as date. Now if I type in 12/4/2024 and move to next, it puts it in a date format. But if I type stuff like that 12/4/2024 and move forward, you see the difference between this and this. That makes it in a date format. That is the shortcut number 8. Next is to format as time, which is the shortcut number 10. Let's for example, this data is in currency, we want to format it as time. We can press Ctrl Shift and then to the @ number. Automatically it converts our figure to time, which is basically as regards to time. When we click on it, you see the date as at 1902 and the time. So if you enter the time here, it will automatically be in the time format, and that is the shortcut number 9. Moving forward to shortcut number 10 is to apply borders. And to apply border, if we want to apply border to this particular data set, we can hold Control Hold Shift and press the space bar, which is to highlight the entire data set. If you don't know of this shortcut, do well to check our previous video on how to do that. You will see the shortcut, which is Control Shift space. We treated that in the previous video. All right, moving forward, to apply border to this data set, we also have to press Control Shift 7, which is the ampersand in our keyboard. And when we click out, you see already this already in borders, and that is how to quickly assign border to our data set, and that is for the shortcut number 10. Moving forward to shortcut number 11, that is to remove border. If we want to remove the border, let's select the entire range, and then to remove the border, we hold Control Hold Shift and then press the underscore. That the border is removed, and that is the shortcut number 11. Moving forward to shortcut number 13 is to merge shapes, to merge cells. And let's say, for example, here we want to merge these shapes straightly. How do we do that? We just quickly hold Alt and press HMM. Automatically the shape is merged. It becomes one, and that is the shortcut number 12. Moving forward to shortcut number 13 is to fit colors, and to do that you press Alt HH. The color palette will come out, and then you can select any of your desired color, and that is the shortcut number 13. Moving forward is shortcut number 15. Let's take, for example, that is the auto fit, which we treated in our first video under Excel shortcut video series that we are on. We did that in the first video. However, we have to bring it back again so as to put it under this particular video. And to auto fit column width, we have to press Alt H O R. That is the auto fit. Automatically it gives it the auto fit shape for auto fit size for this particular cell or this particular column. Next, we are going to look at is how to auto fit row height. To auto fit row height, let's say, for example, this particular data set is of this height, and we want to make it auto fit to be the same as this, to automatically fit in the row height as the regards to this. What is the shortcut? The shortcut is you holding Alt and then press HOA. Automatically it fits the row height, and that is the shortcut number 15. Moving forward to our bonus tip, to our bonus shortcut in this tutorial, let's take, for example, we eliminate this from our data set, and we want to automatically turn this data set into a stunning visual, into a stunning data that will be very presentable. What shortcut do we use? Simply we have to press Ctrl T, and then the table dialog box will appear, and we just click OK, and automatically your data is transformed into a stunning visual, into a stunning data set. And this is how you can automatically format your data and make filtering super easy, where you can come over to this place and then select any of the data you are working with or you want to get insight from, and that makes your filter very easy. Now your spreadsheet looks clean and professional in seconds. Let me know which formatting shortcuts is your favorite. Comment below, and if you found this video helpful, do it to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our future uploads on this Excel shortcuts series video and other videos we are bringing on right here in this channel every Monday and every Fridays. Till then, keep creating amazing content. In our next video, we are going to look at how to speed up data selection and navigation with ease and working with that like a pro. Till then, see you in our next video. Thank you.